Hello my friends, I'm going to share with you a favorite holiday recipe, and it's candied pecans. It's a quick and easy recipe and all your guests are going to love it. Let's get started. I have here 2 egg whites, and what we're going to do is put this in the blender and whip it up to a nice foam. And to this, I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla. I like vanilla, so I'm adding extra. So what I have here is a half a cup of brown sugar and a half a cup of white sugar. Purpose of the white sugar is to help to make that brown sugar loose. So you want to stir this up. Then to this we want to add some cinnamon. Okay, about a tablespoon of cinnamon. The purpose of the egg white is to allow the sugar mixture to stick to allow the sugar mixture to stick to the pecans. Without this, they would just fall off. So you want to mix this to get all the nooks and crannies inside those pecans with this egg white. This will also help dissolve the sugar, make it stick better. Okay, that looks like it's mixed very well. Now we dump in the sugar mixture. There, I can mix it better in this bowl. Now to a cookie sheet I have parchment paper, and I'm going to dump this onto the paper. I have my oven set at 300 degrees. And we want to spread this out. Now I use 1 pound of nuts. Okay, again the oven is set at 300 degrees. I'm going to pop this in on the top shelf, and I'm going to check every 10 minutes. The bake time will be approximately 30 minutes. 10 minutes is up, let's check on it. We're going to let it go a little longer before I mix them. This is our 15-minute mark. Okay, total time should be about 30 minutes. I'm going to check in another 5 just to make sure. Checking at 25-minute mark. I'm going to give it another 5 minutes. That'll be 30-minute total. 30 minutes is up. Time to remove them. break the last ones up. Let's let it cool and we'll give her the taste test. There you have it, the perfect candied pecan. Really good. Very easy to do. Cook time 30 minutes, prep time probably less than that. What you do is take 2 egg whites, whip it up into a froth, add some vanilla to that, then take your pecans, put them into the whipped up egg whites, make sure it covers everything. Then you take a mixture of brown sugar and white sugar with a tablespoon of cinnamon. Mix all that together, then stir it in with the walnuts. It will coat the walnuts even in all the grooves. Place it on a parchment paper in an oven set at 300 degrees. Check at 15 minutes cook time. Stir the nuts. Wait another 15 minutes and take it out of the oven. It's complete. Stir them up while it's still hot so that they don't stick. Any clumping together break apart, and let them cool. And they're the perfect snack. Everybody will love them. You can also kick it up by adding a little bit of cayenne pepper to it. Thanks for watching, my friends. Bye-bye.